Good morning, students. Welcome back to Day Learning Classes. This is your science period. Students, आप लोग अपनी साइंस की बुक्स निकाल लीजिए and open page number 45 in your science books. अपनी साइंस बुक्स में पेज नंबर 45 निकाल लीजिए. So, students, today we will continue with the reading and explanation of lesson 6, that is food and health. हम लोग lesson 6 का reading और explanation continue करेंगे. So let's quickly start our today's work. Till now we have learnt about healthy eating habits. हम लोगों ने healthy eating habits के बारे में पढ़ा था. That what are the healthy eating habits that we should follow in order to stay healthy and strong. So now today we will proceed further. Healthy teeth. So today we will learn about healthy teeth. Number 1, brush your teeth properly twice a day. How many times should we brush our teeth? We should brush twice, means 2 times in a day. एक दिन में हमें 2 बार ब्रश करना चाहिए in order to keep our teeth healthy and strong. Okay. Next point. Avoid eating too many chocolates and sweets as they are harmful for our teeth. We should avoid eating too many chocolates and sweets. What the kids usually do, they eat so many of chocolates and sweets, but these are very harmful for our teeth. ये हमारे teeth के लिए बहुत हार्मफुल होता है. सो वी शुड नॉट ईट टू मैनी चॉकलेट्स. बहुत सारी चॉकलेट्स नहीं खानी चाहिए और स्वीट्स बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खाने चाहिए एज दे आर हार्मफुल फॉर आवर टीथ. सी, दिस बॉय इज ब्रशिंग हिज टीथ इन द मॉर्निंग. दिस इज मॉर्निंग टाइम. सो दिस बॉय इज ब्रशिंग हिज टीथ इन द मॉर्निंग. नाउ टर्न योर पेज. Number 3rd point, rinse your mouth after every meal. We should rinse our mouth after every meal. कुछ भी खाने के बाद हमें क्या करना है, मुंह को साफ करना चाहिए. So that whatever the food which are left in our mouths will be removed from our mouth. जो भी हमारे मुंह में थोड़ा बहुत रह गया है वो साफ़ हो जाए और उसमें डीके कैविटीज़ ना हो, उसमें सड़न ना पैदा हो. सो वी शुड वॉश आवर माउथ आफ्टर एवरी मील. वी शुड rinse our mouth. Okay, see, this boy is cleaning and rinsing his mouth after taking his meal. खाने के बाद वो क्या कर रहा है, अपने माउथ को साफ कर रहा है. ऑलराइट. सो आवर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ईट फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स and drink milk every day. That I have already told this to you, that we should eat fruits, vegetables and drink milk every day. हमें fruits खाने चाहिए डेली, green vegetables खाने चाहिए और we should drink milk every day. हमें डेली milk पीना चाहिए as they are very healthy and nutritious for our health. So we should eat these things in our daily diet. They make our teeth and bones strong. What do they do? They make our teeth and bones strong. वो हमारे teeth और bones को क्या करते हैं? Strong बनाते हैं because they are very rich in protein, minerals, iron and other vitamins. Alright, so we must include these things in our daily diet. Visit a dentist regularly. We should visit dentist regularly. जो भी हमारे डेंटिस्ट हैं हमें उनको रेगुलरली विजिट करना चाहिए सो दैट देयर इज़ एनी प्रॉब्लम इट विल बी सॉर्टेड आउट. ऑलराइट, डू यू नो हु आर डेंटिस्ट? अ डॉक्टर हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ आवर टीथ. डेंटिस्ट कौन होते हैं? दे आर द डॉक्टर्स. वो डॉक्टर्स होते हैं हु टेक केयर्स ऑफ आवर टीथ्स and they are called dentist. See, this is dentist. What she is doing? She is looking and curing the problem that this boy is having in his mouth. She is just checking his mouth. All right, so we should visit our dentist regularly. Okay, now let's revise. What are energy giving food? Food items like rice and bread that gives us energy are called energy giving food. Bodybuilding food. Food items like milk and eggs that help us to grow are called bodybuilding food. Protective food. Food items like fruits and vegetables that prevent us from falling ill are called protective food. This I have discussed with you in detail in our chapter. Meals. The food we eat at a fixed time every day is called a meal. जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं एक फिक्स टाइम पे उसे मील कहा जाता है. लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, dinner, all these are the meals that we have. Okay, now let's revise. All of us need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. They are very essential for us to live, otherwise we can't survive. We can't live without food. We get food from plants and animals. There are two sources of food. दो source होते हैं food के, plants and animals. Food can be divided into three main groups that I have discussed with you, that food is divided into three main groups. Food is divided into three groups: energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Clear? We should follow healthy eating habits to stay healthy and strong, and we should follow healthy eating habits in order to stay healthy and strong. So students, here we come to the end of this chapter, lesson 6, with a complete reading and explanation. In this chapter we have learned various things that we have discussed. We have learned about food, sources of food. Plants and animals are the sources of food. Three groups of food: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. We should drink plenty of water. They remove waste from our body. We should follow the healthy eating habits. We should follow these habits in order to stay healthy and keep our teeth healthy and strong. Okay, so I hope chapter is clear to you. Now it's your homework time. Write down your today's homework. Homework: science. Today is 3rd, 9th, 20. Do activity given on पेज नंबर 44 in your books only. So you have to do the activity given on page number 44 in your book only. ये काम आपको अपने बुक में ही करना है. Let's see what is this activity. This is activity given on page number 44. Write the names of food items you would like to eat for the breakfast, lunch and dinner from each food group in the table below. You have to write your favorite food that you like to eat in your breakfast, lunch and dinner, which belongs to energy giving, then body building food, then protective food. आप लंच में कौन सा फूड खाते हो विच बिलोंग्स टू एनर्जी गिविंग, वो आप इसमें लिखोगे. लंच ब्रेकफास्ट में इसमें लिखोगे, लंच में इसमें और डिनर में इसमें. सेम विद द बॉडी बिल्डिंग एंड प्रोटेक्टिव फूड ऑल्सो. ओके, आई थिंक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा आपको क्या करना है. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.